Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can get unlimited number of invites and referrals to your Hamster Kombat account. So many of you struggle to find people willing to join by using your referral link. And if you are new to Hamster Kombat, it's crucial to invite at least 9 people to unlock all the features and maximize your points. So there are a lot of cards that require you to have invited friends. For example, the 2 chairs card provides 1 invite, while the USDT online card requires 3. So let's get started with video to show you exactly how this can be done. So the first step you have to do is you go to the Google Play Store and you type in multiple accounts. So this is a specific software called Multiple Accounts Dual Space that allows you to get multiple accounts for specific applications. So in the case of Telegram, you can also use the application called App Cloner Premium, and this allows to actually make clones of your Telegram application, and this is very good to use in this case. So what you can do is you go to the Google Play Store and you can install one of those 2 applications. I would prefer the multiple accounts because it's just less complex software, and it works great. So after you have installed this, the next step you have to do is create multiple Telegram accounts, and this can only be done by creating virtual phone numbers. So this is a software you can use to do this, which is called smsman.com, and what this software allows is that you can rent a number. So for a specific time slot, you can just rent a number for a specific country, for a specific service. So in the case we live in, let's say, Germany, we can select Germany, and then we can select Telegram, and you can now see the fees that are integrated when choosing a specific number. So you can click on Receive SMS, and this way you will be able to create multiple Telegram accounts, and therefore you can invite all friends. It is actually unlimited. However, I would advise to do not more than 8 or 10 invites, because it can be that Telegram will see this as spamming, and also it costs extra money to get multiple phone numbers. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.